In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a compliance copy email in HubSpot. A compliance copy email automatically sends a copy of every marketing email you send to a designated inbox, which is useful for archiving, audits, or meeting regulatory requirements. You'll need access to your HubSpot account and permission to change email settings. Start by opening your browser and heading to your preferred search engine. Type HubSpot. Then click the official HubSpot website and sign in to your account. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar. Hover your mouse to reveal the main tools and find the marketing section. This is where your email tools and related settings live. Within marketing, click Email to open the email tool. At the top of the email tool, look for the small gear icon. That gear opens the settings specific to marketing email. Click it to jump into the configuration area where we'll make the change. In the settings panel on the left, select Subscriptions. This section controls defaults and compliance-related options for your marketing emails, including subscription types, footers, and the compliance copy setting. Take a moment to confirm you're in the email settings area so the change applies to your marketing emails. Now, locate the compliance copy email option. It may be grouped with other compliance or footer settings. When you find it, turn it on using the toggle switch. Enabling this makes HubSpot automatically send a copy of every marketing email you send to the address you specify, ensuring your archive or compliance team receives the same content your contacts receive. Next, enter the recipient email address. For best results, use a monitored shared mailbox or an email address managed by your compliance or archiving system rather than a personal inbox. Make sure this inbox can handle the volume of emails you send and that any filtering or security tools are set to accept messages from your HubSpot sending domain. If your organization has specific retention or privacy rules, confirm this address aligns with those policies before proceeding. Finally, click Save. Saving applies the setting to your account's marketing emails going forward. From now on, every marketing email you send through HubSpot will be copied to the recipient you specified, helping maintain a reliable audit trail. Keep in mind that this setting is designed for marketing emails and may not apply to one-to-one sales emails or other tools, depending on your account configuration and permissions. That's it. You've successfully set up a compliance copy email in HubSpot, ensuring consistent archiving and simpler compliance checks without any extra steps each time you send a campaign.